Yo, what's that word, man? It's Mr.RagsToRiches, and I'm right back at it for the new year. I ain't letting up. It's all gas. But look, I'm finna show everybody how to properly structure you a business. That way, when you get done with this video, you're gonna know how to start you a business, how to properly structure you a business, and you're gonna know what to do with your business. So look, tune in, man. Pay attention. I'm finna break everything down that you need to start you a business. Now, this is the most important part. Picking your name. You want to make sure that you pick a non-restricted name. You can't name your business after your favorite clothing line. You can't name your business after Louis, after Ricky Owens. You can't name your business after that. It's franchised already, man. Those are restricted names. So you want to make sure that you pick a non-restricted name. Name your business after yourself, your kids, a family member, anything else that's not franchised. So you want to make sure that you know this before you picking your name. Then you want to make sure that you incorporate your business. What's your business type? Do you got an LLC? Do you got an S Corp? Do you got a C Corp? If you're a beginner, I advise you to start with an LLC. Then you want to make sure that you purchase your surety bond. A surety bond gonna run you like $200 to $400 depending on what state you living in. So you want to make sure that you have that. Then you want to make sure that you become nationally certified. Everybody got to know you across the nation, man. So you want to make sure that you do that. Then you want to open you up a business bank account. You cannot run no business through Cash App or Cash App through Apple Pay. You can't run a business like that. You got to make sure that you get a business bank account. Then you want to make sure that you get a merchant account. I know Chase offer a merchant account. Some banks offer merchant accounts. So look into that. Then you want to make sure that you get some logos and some flyers, man. Some professional pictures, everything for your business so you can look legit. Now, another most important factor when setting up your business is going to be your NAICS code. Your NAICS code stands for North American Industry Classification System. This is important when setting up your business because if you pick the wrong NAICS code, you can get your business flagged and you can limit the amount of money that you can get for your business. So make sure that you're picking the right NAICS code, and we're going to go over that. But let's go down this list, what your NAICS code is used for. Your NAICS code is used for business loans, grants, government contract, filing your taxes correctly. If you pick the wrong NAICS code, you're going to get flagged. So we want to make sure that we stick with low-risk NAICS code. Examples of low-risk NAICS code going to be education, marketing, consulting, technology. All those are low risk. Anything that's in real estate, trucking, those are high risk. Banks do not like lending money to businesses that are high risk. So you want to make sure that you stay under the radar. So make sure that you screenshot this, whatever you're going to do, man. Look, I just showed you how to properly set up your business just to get you started. And I showed you the difference between the low risk NAICS code and the high risk NAICS code. Now I'm going to show you how to properly structure your business so you can go out here and start getting the bag. Now the first thing you need is a business address. You don't have a business if you don't have a business address. Where you located? To get a business address, go to Alliance, Da Vinci, Opus, Regis. Now the trick to getting a business address when you're going on these websites is you want to make sure that you're getting a physical address, a brick and mortar. If banks don't see a physical address, 9 times out of 10, they're going to flag you or they're not going to lend you no money. So you want to make sure that you get you a physical address. Now the second thing you want to make sure that you get is a business phone number. Do not have your business linked to your cell phone number. Not professional. Make sure that you go to nextiviagrasshopper.com, get you a business phone line for $10 a month. Then you can connect that to your cell phone. Then you want to make sure that you get you a domain and email. No Yahoo, no Gmail, no Hotmail, none of that. Make sure you get you a business email and domain. Banks do not like to see Gmail or Yahoo. Make sure that you get a business email. Please get a business email so you can be structured right, man. Then we're going to register our business with the IRS. You already know how the IRS coming. If you don't register with them, you don't even have no business. You might as well wrap it up. So make sure you register with the IRS. Then you're going to go over to Duns & Bradstreet. This is where you're going to get your business credit score from, your payback score. Duns & Bradstreet. Make sure that you sign up for Duns & Bradstreet if you want to build business credit. Then your UEI number, you could get that from sam.gov. If you enter government contracts, anything that you're going to do with the government, you got to make sure that you get your UEI number. Now, lastly, you should have your articles of incorporation, your EIN number, your Dun & Bradstreet number, your payback score that you're going to get from Dun & Bradstreet, And I'm gonna give you a list of low-risk NAICS code names, man. Solutions, Holding, Worldwide, Tech, Operations, and Enterprise. These are all low-risk NAICS codes. And if you don't want to set up your business yourself, you could go to InkFile, you could go to Busy, you could go to LegalZoom.com. They charge for basic filing for like $50. You spending that daily, man. So after this video, everybody should have them a business today, man. Look, if you don't got my Rags to Riches ebooks, you missing out. I got everything in there, step by step. It's basically like I'm holding your hand, walking you through it. Go grab your copy today. Follow me on YouTube at Mr.RagsToRiches. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, everywhere at Mr.RagsToRiches, man. I hope I helped you. Go get you a business, man. I'm out.